Hi there, and welcome to Yarnit. Today, I'm excited to show you how you can replace backgrounds and create new ones using AI art with Yarnit. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Apps page and selecting AI art. Now click on the Picture Blender option. You'll notice a brief tutorial here, but let me guide you through it. Simply start by clicking Upload from PC. I'll select an image that I've previously downloaded from Yarnit's stock image library. Here, you have the option to edit the composition. I'm choosing a 1x1 image dimension because that's what I need. Next, let's increase the size of the image. Click on the Remove Background icon, and you'll see how the AI efficiently removes the background. Now, position the object within the composition as you prefer. I'm placing it right over here, maintaining the 1:1 aspect ratio. Feel free to add more details or images if you'd like. There are plenty of editing options available. Once you're satisfied, just click Save. Next, it's time to add your prompt. Once you've entered your prompt, click Generate Image. You'll notice that the output is perfectly aligned with your prompt. Your product will be placed in a specific position, and around it, the background will be generated based on your prompt. That's how you can utilize Yarnit for picture blending.